Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam. I hope you guys are doing fine and you know, all those good stuff, taking care of yourselves, and yeah. So you guys, in today's video I just wanted to share with you guys my current go-to makeup. It's not extreme, so I'm just gonna show you guys also the products that I received to try, you know, from Makeup Revolution. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything came like that. So they have makeup, they have skincare, and mostly they are promoting their 5D lift and define lash. So this is how it's looking. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is gonna turn out, and I'm not gonna put on any lashes. I just want to show you guys how this is gonna turn out. So let's just see and just get straight into the video before I make it too long, you know what I mean? So let's just get straight into it. So you guys, I'm just gonna use my foundation, the Estee Lauder Long Wear Stay in Place Makeup foundation, and this is in Deep Spice. So I'm just gonna use this and, you know, just put it all over my face and blend it out so that we don't, you know, we don't make this video too long. So let's just, you know, blend it all out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna blend it out like real quick and BRB. So I'm gonna be using this concealer over here. It's from Item and the shade is Dark Warm Golden. So I'm gonna use that just over there and over there. I am loving this concealer. It goes a long way, just like on the places that, like on my highest places of my face. So I'm just gonna use that and get my beauty blender and blend it out. And I'm gonna use this side. And I'm not so good with when it comes to contouring, so I'm not the person to go to when it comes to contouring. So there it goes, and then I'm gonna bake just a little bit, I'm gonna use this from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the it's banana. I don't know how many shades they come, but yeah. It's banana. This is not for your lips. So I just took a little bit of the banana on my hands. You guys, this is like my go-to, like if I want to do something real quick, this is what I do. But I just make sure I blend everything out like real good, because you know, I mostly also don't wear makeup, and when I'm in a hurry with the kids, I'm always like, you know what, let's just do something real quick. So I'm just gonna put that over there, and then over there as well, and then I just apply a little bit of that over there too, so that I'm not greasy over there, especially when I apply my my shadow. So let's just put it over there. I'm gonna blend everything out, you guys. Like, I'm gonna blend it out. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. So I'm not gonna let that sit like for too long. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, just brush it off. So while I'm waiting for some of the things to just sit, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this palette from Makeup Revolution. It looks like that, like when it comes in, it looks like that. And I'm just gonna open it, and here we have all the colors that are in there. Like, look at all that good stuff. Let's take it off. So I'm normally gonna use like neutral colors, so probably gonna go with this one. It says Connect, and just a little shimmer with Joy. They look good together, like Joy and Connect. So cute, you know, just to get in there. Hi, Amy.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay.
Yes.
It's like a dark color. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit up there. Let me just zoom it out. Like over there. Just a little bit up there. It's a cute color. Like a little shimmery color. It's called Joy. I think I already mentioned I'm gonna use that. I love neutral colors these days, so that's what I'm just gonna use. Just, you know, to get a little color, like so I'm just gonna blend it all out, like that. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for is this mascara. Let's see how it's gonna be. Like, I wanna see and make sure we're looking fly. We're flying. So I'm just gonna hold my mirror over here and zoom it in, just so you guys can see if this is the mascara that you have to get. You know what I mean? So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna look a little bit down because I'm looking. Okay. Do you see the difference? Like, okay. I'm gonna put this first coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put another one, because this is fire. Like, if you don't want to do like eyelashes. Okay, so that's the first coat. I'm gonna go ahead and wait and then come back with the second coat. Okay, so that's the first coat, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead again with the second coat. That's pretty good though for somebody who doesn't like wearing, because you guys, look at that. Look at that. It looks good. Like, see, I don't have any lashes, and look at that. Look at that. That is pretty amazing. That. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can y'all see? It looks like I have lashes on. OMG. It looks like I have lashes on. Look at that, guys. Uh-oh. I just messed up my... Anyway, I'll fix that. But look at that. If you don't want to wear lashes, this is it. So you guys can see that this mascara is amazing, and I'm not trying to say that you should go purchase it. That will be at your own will, but you saw what happened before and after I used this mascara. I love it. Like, on days that I don't want to wear like lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the face with the Revolution Makeup hydrating and plumbing makeup setting spray. So I'm gonna do that just now. It smells good. Can y'all see the difference? It's actually hydrating, girl. And for my lips, I'm gonna use the Revolution Intense Shine Lip Gloss. This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna put it on, and I'm so in love with lip glosses, like especially like in winter times when we get so dry. I love lip gloss. Mostly it's a colorless lip gloss, but today, since we got this one, we about to shine, honey. We're about to shine. So let's see. It looks so good. I don't know about the color though. It feels good. It smells good. It smells good. Let me just fix it up because I feel like this color in me, I don't know. Let me fix it up. So I went ahead and fixed the lips, and do you guys feel this lip gloss? Like, can you go for it? I feel like it's giving me some, you know, cute, you know, I'm going out, some me time, some mom time. I'm just gonna go out and look cute, and you know, so yeah, I'm just gonna fix up my braids, and this is probably just the final look. Like, what else do I have to do? Nothing, honey. Like, I'm sure they have different other colors that you can select from, but this was what was sent to me, so I had to use what was sent to me. So honey, I look so natural, like this cute innocent little girl. I'm just kidding, but yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful, and if you haven't, please subscribe down below. Like, girl, it costs nothing. It's literally for free. Even guys, you know, you can just go ahead and just hit that red button, hit it, and share this video if you do like it. And yeah, I think that's just it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.